Welcome to this Santa Monica, split-level floor plan located in Ole section of Lely Resort. The main level has remarkable volume ceilings, wall finishing detail and crown molding, in the living room, dining room, and eat-in kitchen areas. Impact glass windows throughout. Granite countertops, stainless appliances, tile flooring in living areas, carpet in bedrooms. Top floor includes the owner's suite, guest bedroom and ensuite, laundry and computer area. This home comes with a one-car garage and just steps to the tropical quad community pool. The village center amenities include a resort-style swimming pool, a waterfall top pool and playhouse, spa, sand volleyball, bocce, basketball court and a state-of-the-art exercise fitness center, movie theater, pub, bistro, ice cream parlor, library and business center. This Ole community is part of Lely Resort, with which is only 7 miles to downtown Naples and Marco Island.